friends. Today, we're going to practice how to determine the main idea and how it's supported by key details. This helps us understand what the author wants us to know. So let's get ready to do these steps and pay close attention because you're going to practice in a little bit. So let's take a look at step 1. Step 1. What is the topic? Well, I know that the topic is usually 1 or 2 words, and it's usually what the text is mostly about. And I also know that the front cover usually helps me determine the topic. So let's take a look. Well, in the front cover, I see an illustration of King George, and I also see his name in the title, King George. All right, so my topic is King George. Step 1, check. Now let's go to step 2. What does the author want to teach us? What's the main idea? Well, I'm going to scan my headings, my introduction, conclusion, visuals, and text features. All right, let's take a look. Well, here I see King George. He's thinking himself as a lion and lamb. All right, let me read. When he heard the news, King George felt more like a father than he ever had in his life. A father with a family of very disobedient children, and of course he must punish them. Father, children. All right, let me keep on reading. See the Americans. I see the word Americans again. How could children, however rebellious, succeed against his firm father? So I keep seeing the word children, father, and Americans. All right, I think I have my main idea. King George believed he was like a father to the Americans, and he was making the best decisions for them. All right, I got it. Now I can go to step 3. Find details that support my main idea. Well, I'm going to look at facts or events, examples or anecdotes, explanations or visuals, or quotes or visuals. Well, I just read these quotes that he felt like a father more than ever in his life, and that they were very disobedient children. And over here, I read that how could the children, however rebellious, succeed against a firm father? And here it says that he wishes nothing but good, and therefore whoever does not agree with him is a traitor or a scoundrel. All right, I think this supports my main idea. All right, I can go to step 4. Step 4. I have to ask myself, are my details important or just interesting? Well, my details talk about him being a father and how they're acting like a children, and I think it tells me that he's trying to make decisions for them because he says, I wish nothing but good. So I think all of these details are important. Now, let me see if I can find more details in this next page. But he hadn't beaten them. The fighting went on, and meanwhile, George III went about official business as a king. Business as a king. He put seals on papers, gave out medals, titles, memorized the names of every ship. Important things of him as a king. I'm going to underline this. Wait a minute. Does this have to do with him being like a father to the Americans? No, it doesn't. This does not help me at all. So this is just interesting, not important for my main idea. So I'm going to take this away. All right, these are my important details. I got it. All right, friends, now it's going to be your turn to do this. Good luck.